I'm Seymour Pijpers and I'm a technical engineer at HyTEPS. Originally I'm from the island called Curacao. There I did my bachelor electrical engineering in the sector of energy, power systems. And then in 2015 I came to the Netherlands where I did my master's degree at the Technical University of Eindhoven, where I specialized in power quality and also some EMC. At that time I was looking for a part-time job next to my study. So I contacted the lab manager, the PQ lab manager at the university, and I basically asked him if he could get me in contact with a company related to power quality, which is the direction I was going in. And he said, yeah, I know the people from this company called HyTEPS, so if you're interested, I could introduce you. So that's basically how it went. I got an email from the managing director and I sent my CV. That's how I first started for 6 months as a part-time job here. And then after that, I switched to my master thesis for 9 months in this case. And afterwards, after I graduated, I immediately got a permanent contract. It's basically a research on power losses in a very specific type of installations, in this case offshore installations, regarding to poor power quality. So what if you have excessive harmonic distortion, very unbalanced loading and very poor cosine phi? What would be the losses in those type of scenarios, and what could be potentially saved in case you were to improve these poor quality phenomena? So basically, after completing my 6 months part-time job and my master thesis, I liked the dynamics of the company. At that time, relatively small company yet, and you get to grow, let's say, with the company and also develop. I mean, it's a very dynamic type of job, so it requires, it's not the same every time, and that basically really spoke to me. Well, it varies a lot. It involves, first of all, measurement and analysis at customers. So it involves going to the customer, performing measurement, and then analyze the situation, give advices based on that. But next to that, I'm involved in simulation works for customers, and also problem-specific design of solutions. That's also part of what I'm involved with. If I could choose one word, I would say very dynamic. It's ever changing, I would say, right? So no day is the same. One day you could be maybe working at home, the next week you could be abroad doing some measurements or whatever. Yes, I think if you're someone that is very dynamic, you like to learn a lot. Perhaps you get bored easily doing the same over and over again. I think HyTEPS is very suitable for someone like that. It's not a standard type of job where you would be sitting in an office, let's say, standard 9 to 5, but if you have the wish, of course, that's a possibility, but mainly it's very dynamic. You get the chance to work inside, work outside, do a lot of projects. So I think if you're someone that is looking for that, then I think HyTEPS can definitely provide that.